Hi, I am Stanley Richard, a financial harmony and prosperity coach and the founder of Prosperity Path Hub. I have been in personal development and finance coaching for about 7 years. During this time, I have had the privilege of working with 120 working professionals and assisting working parents in overcoming stagnancy, debt, unhappiness, and scarcity to achieve growth, harmony, freedom, and prosperity. I provided them with a template for a 90-day transformation journey which accelerated their path to growth. I guide people through the 6-step prosperity path method, a simple process that enables them to educate themselves, empower themselves, and enrich others, and the results speak for themselves. Looking forward to connecting with you over a quick chat. If you are interested in learning more about financial harmony and prosperity, simply type chat in the comments. I would be delighted to assist you.